Hello everyone. Today our topic is earthquake waves. First of all, what are seismic waves? These are the waves which are produced in the earth due to an earthquake. They travel through the earth and are recorded on seismographs. There are three types of seismic waves: P waves, S waves and L waves. P waves. These are the primary or push waves. They are first to be recorded on a seismogram. These are the compressional waves or longitudinal waves, which means that they travel in the direction in which the wave is moving. They can pass through all states of matters, that is solid, liquid and gas. S waves are also known as secondary waves or shear waves. They are recorded just after P waves on a seismogram. These are the transverse waves, which means that they travel perpendicular to the direction in which the wave is moving. They can pass through solids and gases, but not liquids. Next comes the L waves. These are also known as long waves or surface waves. They are recorded after the P and S waves, that is, they are last to be recorded. They are also transverse waves, that is, they travel perpendicular to the direction in which the wave is moving. They can pass through solids only, hence they just travel along the surface of the earth. As inside the earth it is liquid matter, so they cannot travel within the earth's surface. Important points to remember. The study of seismic waves is known as seismology. The P and S waves are the only means by which we can predict the earthquakes. These seismic waves originate from a point known as seismic focus. The point which is directly above the seismic focus is known as the epicenter. Thank you for watching.